So in this video, we'll be covering another big breakthrough in artificial intelligence, and it's called Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and it is made by a company called Anthropic. And this is one of ChatGPT 4.0's major competitors, and in a benchmark comparing the two, this model has outperformed what ChatGPT 4.0 could do. And there's a caveat to this where, this tool can turn someone that is not a developer into a developer instantaneously. So without further ado, let me demo this for you. But let's say that I wanted to develop, I want to create a game that is similar to Flappy Bird. I want it to be a web application, and I want it to not be as difficult as the original game. I want you to include clouds for me to avoid, right? Now, the crazy thing is that if you wanted to do this, you would need to code it based on a template, and you would need to make a lot of updates to it. Even if you did it from scratch, it would take you, a very, very long time to write all of this code. And further to this, it actually uploads it so that you can engage with it immediately. So if I start running it, there's no clouds currently, so now add clouds. I don't see anything to avoid, right? Simple language, and this just turns you into a coder, right? Here it goes again. So you have multiple iterations that can take place without you needing to know anything about code. So this also goes for things like landing pages, right? You could create landing pages from scratch using this model. So let's test this. Okay, cool. It has clouds now, right? And I think I can actually beat this game, right? So there's a preview of that game. It works really well. And if I pivoted to the marketing side of things, which our business specializes in, I could go something like create a landing page for a guide on 30 ways AI is changing the manufacturing industry. Create this in the style of HubSpot and make sure it is optimized to convert visitors to leads, right? There you go. Certainly I'll create a landing page for the guide. And again, it would code it from scratch for you and show you a preview. So for us who build a lot of landing pages or want inspiration, this is a quick way of just doing that. So here's a quick preview, lays it out, has a little form inside there as well. And this code is ready to go. So it could be copied and pasted into an HTML page, and you could literally just implement it from here. So I hope you guys find this as interesting as I do. Again, just geeking out here. So if you like this type of content, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comments below. Have a great day.